Hi, Ganesh back here. In this video, we're going to see types of brokers in India. So when it comes to trading, we cannot go direct into the stock market or stock exchange. We cannot start selling or buying the stock or start investing. So before we do that, we need to find a right broker for us. Then we need to set up our demat account. From the demat account, we can start selling the stocks or buying or investing. So selecting a broker is challenging because there is mainly two types of brokers are available in India. The first one we call a full service broker, and the second one we call a discount broker. Full service broker will give you special services like a call and trade. You can call them and you can ask them what to trade. Also, they will give you personal recommendation what to trade, when to trade, and also they will give you trading tips, and also they will make a trading plans for you, and they will be like your personal financial advisor, and they will charge a lot money for this. The charges will be very high when you compare to discount broker. The brokerage especially is really high. So when it comes to discount broker will give you an online trading platform. Using online trading platform, you can buy the stocks, sell the stocks on your own. So the charges will be very less. They will charge a very less on the brokerage. And they also do a call and trade. The call and trade is chargeable. You need to make sure how much they charge before you do that. And there are many discount brokers are available. They're trending at the moment in India. The mainly zero the upstocks and 5 paisa, they are mainly trending brokers in India. So you can start trading with one of them. So this is the video about today about a discount broker and the full service broker. And I'll see you tomorrow with another video. Now hit the subscribe button and like the video or drop us a comment. And thank you for watching. Have a good day.